Hey guys, this is a short installation video for our new hammer knobs. This is a very neat design that we came up with to prevent damage to the shift knob shaft threads. So the kit will come with a couple set screws, which are nylon locking patch, and a couple of these small 5/32 brass ball bearings. So you only need one of them at a time, but we gave you a whole bag so you have extras in case you lose it, and there's also an extra set screw in there. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put the little ball bearing inside the thread first, and then you're going to back behind it with the set screw, and you're going to crush the brass ball into the threads rather than the hardened metal set screw doing it, which causes no damage. So let's go over to the shifter on the bench mount and show how it's done. Okay, let's go ahead and mount the hammer knob onto our MT82 flat stick. First thing we want to do is just bottom the threads completely out. So screw it all the way down till it stops. And then you just want to back it off until your logo is aligned properly so that we can lock it in place. Okay, to lock the ball down in place on the shift knob shaft, you just take one of the brass ball bearings we provide, just put it up inside the threads, and then just hold it there until you can get the set screw. Just be very careful. This is on an angle, and you don't have to have it staying in that position until you get close to tightening it. So if you want to get it over this way, just to kind of have a little bit better eye of what you're doing when you're inside the car, no problem doing that. Just obviously make sure that when you get close that you pull it back down here, and it actually is much easier to use the smaller one. Don't worry about it feeling tight because that's the nylon locking patch, but as you can see, it's starting to get snug. So when it gets snug, you want to bring it down. Now, don't worry about getting really tight. You want to get this screw to the point where it's under flush so it's not sticking out, and it will compress that ball pretty good. But keep on going until you get that set screw just about flush like that. And then that screw's not going anywhere.